Today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can save money when shopping online, and that's coming up right after this. If you're new here and want to stay up to date with the latest tech, please hit subscribe, followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter by clicking the links in the description. So when it comes to online shopping, many of you may notice that items tend to be much cheaper from the USA than they are from the UK, where I live, and also most other countries. While it is much cheaper for many items, it also has some downsides, such as websites that won't ship internationally. For the ones that do, some people have issues with the debit or credit card, and of course if you want to purchase different items from different websites, then shipping becomes very expensive. Today I've got a solution that allows you to shop from the USA far more effectively, and that solution is Shipito. Now, full disclosure, this video is sponsored by Shipito, and they've asked me to showcase the service to you. Now, you may be confused as to what it is and how it can actually save you money, so we're going to run through the whole process and I'm going to show you how I saved £330 on my online shopping order. Now, Shipito is a website that gives you your very own USA address that can be used with any USA retailer. You can order the items there, and not only are they kept in Shipito's secure warehouse, but they also provide photos on delivery, allowing you to cosmetically check the item. My favourite thing about Shipito though is their service that consolidates your packages and gives you full control about how this is done, which allows you to save a huge amount of money by shipping only a single package, but we're going to cover all the options shortly. They also have a service called Assisted Shopping, where if for any reason you're having issues with payment, you can tell Shipito what it is that you need to buy and they'll place the order and charge you instead. They've got a free membership as well as a premium, which provides some discount for those of you that do like to do a lot of shopping. The premium membership gives big discounts on processing, consolidation and additional photo fees, and they also have a member rewards program that earns points and then gives discounts on shipping. Your delivery suite is also going to be automatically located in Oregon, which is a tax-free state, which means no US sales tax. So we're going to run through the whole of the process now. So first, you need to sign up with an account and enter your credentials as usual. You then need to choose between either the free account, the premium account for $10 a month, or you can pay a $60 annual fee, which is a big saving. Once your account is created, we can go over to my warehouse address, and it tells us our warehouse location where we need to send our items. As I said, we also have the assisted purchase where we can give special instructions for websites we're having difficulty with, but personally I had no issues and didn't have to use this. So now that we've got our address, it's time to go shopping and just use the warehouse address as your shipping address. Now, most USA websites work fine with no issues, but if an international website is directing you to a UK page, you can simply use a VPN like Ola VPN to get around it. So my shopping was a mixture of clothes and tech. When it came to the tech, it was pretty much always cheaper than the UK prices, and I found some good deals on clothes. I purchased my tech items from Amazon USA and my clothing items from satire.com, and I ended up saving a lot of money, which we're going to cover in more detail shortly. But as I said, we just shop as normal. Then when it comes to purchasing, we use our new Shipito mailing address. Now, most websites are also fine with the contact numbers, but if for any reason there is an issue, just use a service like Whistlephone or Skype, but to be honest, I don't think you'll run into an issue and a contact number isn't really needed. When the products arrive in the warehouse, you get a notification email, and then we can access the details on Shipito. If I log into my account and check my packages, you can see they're all listed on this screen, and I've got photos of the packages as they arrived, along with the contents that are inside them. I can go through all of my packages received and just do a visual check that these are in good condition and of course the right items that I wanted. Once we're happy with our packaging, we can move on to the next stage, and that's getting the package to us. For each item, we do have to fill out a customs declaration, but this is just a simple case of putting what the item is and entering its value. You can see here, if I put in my new microphone and hard drive, it's nice, quick, and it's easy. Now, it's recommended that you do value your items correctly, as this is for insurance purposes, so some people do choose to greatly undervalue their items, as there's no UK VAT on items less than £15 coming into the UK. But of course, in the unlikely event that the package was lost, it would then only be insured to that value, and it's also sort of tax evasion. We need to tick the box to agree the declaration, which simply states that we're complying with the laws and we're not exporting anything illegal. Next, we get to choose how they're sent, either one package, multiple packages, or consolidation. Now, consolidation is of course the most cost-effective way, and it's really the advantage of Shipito, so I highly recommend using it. They'll put all your items in the same box, which of course reduce the cost. So I'll go ahead and choose consolidation. I then need to pick my shipping address, so I'm just going to add my address in first. Of course, for this video, I haven't put in my real address on screen, so don't try and send me anything. Once we've got our shipping address, we can select it and hit continue. We then get to choose how these are consolidated, so we can keep the outer boxes and just stick them all into one bigger box. We can remove all of the delivery packaging and just have the retail boxes put together in the box. Or finally, we can actually completely remove the items from the retail packaging and put them all inside the same box. Now personally, I want all of the retail packaging, so I'm going to go ahead and choose to keep it for everything. But the great thing is you can choose for a specific item, so if there's one item that you want the retail box for and another you're not so bothered, then you can do that and actually have a mixture of all three of these choices. But once we've specified what we want, we can just go ahead and click continue. Now finally, we pick our shipping options, and Shipito offer their own shipping service as well as many others. Generally, the cheaper ones take longer and the fast ones are more expensive, but there's an option to suit everyone. I was in a rush, and given that the cost was reasonably cheap, I chose DHL delivery, which is within 4 business days, and that was $67.46. Now once we choose our shipping, we decide if we want insurance on the package and then click continue. We then have the additional services option, so you can see I get the visual check for free as well as the photos of the consolidation process. For $2 I can have any store invoices removed and also have the tags removed for $1. Now these options are clearly a good choice for the naughty ones out there that are clearly under declaring their packages to customs, and again, it's not something I'm going to advise as it is tax evasion, but then who am I to tell you what to do? We also have custom fit boxes for those with odd shaped or large items, express consolidation if you're really in a rush and want your item to the front of the queue, extra bubble wrap if you've got something very fragile, or any other special requests as long as they are reasonable. Also, if you've got any extra large items that won't fit in the consolidated box, you can choose to have them in another box or just return to your suite. Shipito is going to pack your items into the smallest box possible, and this is going to save you money on shipping. Once we've selected everything we need, we simply press continue and then head over to the payment. Once it's shipped, you can view the photos of your package if you requested them, and also track your package on the website. And if you want to give Shipito a try today, then click the link down in the description and get 15% off your first shipment. But now it's the exciting bit, the delivery and what I ordered along with how much savings I made. So my package came on time and it was well packaged, as you can see. It's relatively small for what I ordered and everything was sufficiently protected for posting, so no complaints whatsoever. So first in the box was a Machino t-shirt, next we've got the Zoom H4n Pro, we've then got the Synco Mic D2 shotgun microphone, we've got a Bauman t-shirt as well as a Samsung Evo 860 4TB SSD. So first of all, the microphone. As you'll notice, if I'm ever on camera, I've got this annoying mic right next to me for recording, so I decided to get a new shotgun mic that I can place out of sight. The Synco Mic D2 has been incredible in my testing. While it would have cost me £239 in the UK, I purchased it for $249 on Amazon USA, which works out as a £50 saving. Next up, we've got the Zoom H4n Pro, and this is just a handy recorder for the microphone. It's going to allow me to get much better quality recordings as well as manage my sound recordings much more efficiently. It's got 2 microphones on the top along with 2 XLR inputs on the bottom, and this is a great recorder for all microphones. Now on Amazon UK this would have cost me £250, but on Amazon USA it was just $229, making a total saving of £75. We then have the Samsung Evo 860, and of course there's not really too much to say about this. I like fast storage and I'm always running out of space, so another 4TB hard drive is going to be very welcomed in my desktop. On Amazon UK this was £458, but on Amazon USA I got this for $500, which ended up being a total saving of £78. Now for those into designer clothing, we have the Balmain foil logo t-shirt. I found when it came to designer brands on the USA stores, some were cheaper and some weren't, but it's very dependent on the site and the brand. This t-shirt though cost roughly £225 from the UK clothing stores, but I purchased this one on satire.com for $249, giving me a saving of £50. I then purchased a Moschino t-shirt from Satire as well. From the UK shops, I had an average price for this one of about £110, but I got this one on Satire for $85.50, and this is a total saving of £45. And the great thing when it comes to the clothes shopping is that the USA and UK sizes are the same, so you don't have to worry about any conversions. So overall, if I would have purchased this in the UK, the exact total comes to £1,282.36. The amount I paid from the USA was $1,253.84. Now if I convert that into pounds, that's £952.53, so this gives me a total saving of £329.83. Now of course, I did have to pay shipping on top of that, which was $67.46, so that's an additional £50.20 to the cost, although I could have actually chosen cheaper shipping. But overall, if we take that off, it gives me a saving of £279.63, which is actually quite a lot of money and over a 25% saving. Well, I always knew USA was cheaper, I hadn't really given this too much thought, and I wasn't expecting to be saving that much. But of course, that's it for today's video, and I just wanted to share the process for you guys, just in case you've been tempted to do the same. As I said, the links are down in the description below, and you can get 15% off your first shipment thanks to the link. Of course, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.